Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious tea cakes. First, gather your essential ingredients, such as 2 and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and 2 large eggs. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly. Also, prepare your baking tools, including mixing bowls, a whisk, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This initial preparation is key for a successful baking experience. Now let's create the perfect dough for your tea cakes. In a large mixing bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add 2 and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, mixing until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and bake these delightful treats. Lightly flour a clean surface and roll out the dough to an even thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use your favorite cookie cutters to cut out various shapes. A 2-inch round cutter works wonderfully. Carefully place the cutouts onto your prepared baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once your tea cakes are out of the oven, the final steps are all about presentation and enjoyment. Let them cool completely on a wire rack for at least 20 minutes before decorating. You can dust them with powdered sugar for a classic look, or get creative with a simple lemon glaze or colorful sprinkles. These charming tea cakes are perfect for serving with a warm cup of tea or coffee, making any moment a little sweeter. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.